Our team at Holiday Services is gearing up for our fall install. We're doing the last minute details, packing up the trucks, making sure that we have all the gear and equipment we need for a successful install. It's crunch time and we're working hard. There's a lot of moving parts to go along with that throughout Magic Kingdom. And as we kind of get towards the finish line, it's that feeling of excitement and joy, knowing that the next day when guests enter that park, they're going to see that transformation. So here at Holiday Services, we're preparing for the fall season, the fall install season, and a big component to that is the Cinderella Coach Pumpkins.
We usually start pretty much right after Christmas is over. We start getting back into the fall and getting everything prepared, seeing what needs to be redone or if colors have changed or decor. We get it done and get it looking fresh and ready for the following year. So when I see the guests looking at all our special projects that we put throughout the parks at Magic Kingdom, it's such a great feeling to know that we were part of that, putting the magic, into the projects that we have put up throughout Magic Kingdom.